Hello, today I'm going to share you how to grow puppy plants from seeds and how to make your puppy flowers bloom big and bright like showing in the picture. You have two ways to seed them, either indoor 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost, or you can see the seeds outdoor directly after the last frost. This is a pot of 12-inch. I just, you see, like make 5 holes. Then there will be 5 puppies in the future. See, the seeds are very tiny. You have to be very careful. It's very difficult to handle them sometimes. So I can now count them. I just put a little bit in one hole and then just mix with dirt a little bit. That's all I can do. After I put all the seeds in the little hole, mix with the dirt, and then I use hand, just pat a little bit, not too much, just to prevent when we water, then the seeds just disappeared somewhere. See, after I think here's the 2 or 3 weeks, and then the seeds look like this. When you make your seeds germinate, the moisture is the number one thing. And then the sunshine is not that important. Moisture and warm, that's the most 2 important factors. So look at this pot. I have too much small seedlings there, so I have to thin them, otherwise they cannot grow very big. So also the flower, the bloom will be very small in that case. The one left you want to keep, you have to pat it into the dirt. Make sure the around is tight to the root. After a couple of days, the seedling will stand up like this. So this is something I transplant in a small pot, and then those ones are in the ground. So make sure the distance between each of the seedling will be 5 to 6 inches. See, after that, this is something in the ground, and it will be like this, very tiny, but don't worry, they will grow so quick. At this moment, they need a lot of sunshine, a lot of water, and you can feed them with fertilizer of all purpose, a little bit every other 2 weeks, and then they will grow like this. And then after 4 or 5 weeks, they were ready to bloom. Now I summarize some of the tips to keep your puppy flower big and bright. The first one is keep the distance between each plant at least 5 to 6 inches. They need full sun when they're going to bloom, and fertilizer them every other week, and water them every day in hot summer. And also, if you want to keep the flower more keep blooming, you have to deadhead. And most of cases, they will rebloom. But the second round bloom will be smaller. These puppies are annuals. You can connect seeds for next year, or you can let them self-seed. But make sure to thin them. Just keep one at one spot. That's all for my sharing. Thank you for watching. Thank you.